Okay, we're about to hook up lights and sound. So I want to show you where we're at first. And the first thing that I did was, remember, right, we put these circuit boards in here. Okay? You see the sound. And you see those circuit boards that we did right there. Okay, I'm pointing something out to you. The reason we do these circuit boards is we're not using a disconnect. Right here. And what I do is when I'm using a Digitrax or a TCS decoder that's got wires, when I clip them and trim them, I save them in a box. So I didn't have enough blues to do this. So the gray wire will stand in for the blue. And as you know, the blue is the power, and the yellow is the rear headlight that's got a resistor on it. The white is the front headlight that's got a resistor on it. And then we're standing in with grays to go to our two spots over here. So let's look at our two spots. As you can see, I marked one. This is where when it comes down, let's see, where did our card go? Let's check it again. So we got to check on our card, our wiring diagram. And right there. Now this one shows yellow. So these ones that are marked with the Sharpie are the colored wires. And one of the things we always go by red is always right, but when they make this diagram, they make it backwards. Because we always face it this way. So what we have to do when we program the lights, we just reverse them. This is going to be the white, that's going to be a gray, which should normally be blue. This is going to be the yellow, and that's going to be a gray, which should also be blue. If you were doing a Digitrax or a TCS, that's what that would be. So now what I've done is and we got our orange and our gray here. I'm going to take a Sharpie. I'm going to mark these. I'm going to take a Sharpie and I'm going to trace these guys. We got to make these guys blue. These guys here, like this guy, he's blue. And this guy here, he's a blue. So we'll just make them blue. Just like that. And then we've got our speakers. And they're marked red and black. The orange on our speakers is going to be the red. And this gray here is going to be the black. This speaker gray is going to be the black, and that's going to run our speakers. And so now I've done it like this. So if I'm not using a disconnect, what I do is I take a tape roll like this. I set them just like that. All right, now I will trim it. I'll trim it and solder it, and that way when I turn them over and set them down, I won't have a huge bird's nest in there. We don't want that giant mass of wires in there that you sometimes see. We want nice and clean. But we need to be able to do maintenance. You always have to do maintenance no matter what. And we want it to be this close so the wires are that short. Then the top will fit down just perfect. And then we'll be good. And then we can do a sound test. All right, let me do that. And then we'll take a look. Here it is. This is how it should look when you've done it. All right, the shell's on its side. I did use a smaller tape roll back here. All right, but it should look like this. That is how we did it. Now it's going to be nice, neat, and clean. Those wires will fit up in there just perfect. And next up, we're going to give it a try. All right, are we ready for a full sound and lighting test? I hope so. So let's go ahead. Let's get down here and see what we got. Power on. Power on. There we go. As you can see, lights work. Yes, they do. They work in the proper direction. Remember when I said I had to reverse them because of the orientation of the decoder? They now work because I did that. That's got a pretty loud horn. Weight belt. That guy's pretty loud. I mean, I think if I was going to run them every day, I'd turn the volume down a bit. But let's check something else out here. If I hit reverse, the lights come on. Look at those Motown lights. Very nice. If I hit forward, they'll go off. Okay, let's turn them on. And there we go. Hold up, wait. Let me turn off the movement power. See if that improves the way this sounds to you. Look at those lights. Headlights and ditch lights. Just like that. I think we got a winner. Lights off. Let's see, how we turn the sky? Now we're just going to hit the power. We'll just hit the power for now. There's a function which I have to label if I'm going to use this, but this is not mine, so I don't need to label that button. Ready. I think we're ready to roll. We can put them back together. We're going to put on the handrail kit. We're going to put these side frames on. I really think I should hit these side frames with a little liquid talent. We got a little guy here. Of course, they're brittle. But I think we ought to hit those guys with a little liquid talent before we put them on. And maybe that fuel tank also. Just a light coat of liquid talent. And otherwise, this one's ready to roll. Now we got another one, which I think is just like it. We're going to find out. We do exactly the same thing. And then we're going to have a really good, nice set here. Whoops. What is this? He has a thing where the bell rings and then it starts up. Definitely plenty loud. Alright, good to go. Again, we're going to keep him. We'll put his parts back on, and this one turned out just right.